Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Everyone is very quiet today. To listen, yes, that's a good principle. Okay. So, I'd like to ask you a question. What do you think about change? Do you think change is needed? Do you need change?
Yes.
Yes, is good.
Yeah? Imagine if you were doing exactly the same thing day after day, week after week, month after month, year after year. Was that good?
No. It's a waste of
The
money.
results will be the same.
Well, if the results will be the same, maybe it was not bad if the results were good.
But we are,
But
we
first-
like people.
Yeah, but if we do always the same, will the results will be always the same? No. No. You see, just try. In a river, you just put a stone or an object and you put there in the river. What is going to happen? If you go away, come back next day, is the stone there in the same way?
No.
No, it moved. Yes, the reality around us moved. So, if we just stuck in the same place, thinking that's our comfort zone, that's wrong. It will not be your comfort zone. Because what's around you changed. So if you are in the same place, you didn't get to go along the change. Imagine where you were 10 years ago, maybe 20 years ago, or 30 years ago, 40, okay, no more. Stop here. Imagine. Can you imagine yourselves doing the exactly same thing you were doing there?
No.
Will you feel the same?
No.
Of course not. We learn things. We are always learning. Either we want it or not, we are learning things. And if you are learning things, the way you see things are going to be different. It's going to be different. The way you feel is going to be different. So the way you act should also be different. Let's not be stuck behind. But are we going to change just for the change? Okay, I need to change. So instead of going right, I'm going left. Is this going to solve my problem?
No.
Is this going just to get me better? No. Maybe not. Maybe yes, maybe no. I don't know. But doing the change just for the change is not going to get you to the way where you want. Because change is different. To me, the right choice may be going to the right, but to you, maybe is going to the left. The change is different for each one. The need is different for each one. But of course, we have things in common. Who here wants to get better skills in communication? Me. Nice. Why do you want those better skills? Who here wants to communicate better with his or her friends? Yeah? And with his or her kids? Yeah. And who wants to be a professional speaker? Okay, so all of us want to be better communicators, but some of us just want it because we want to interact better with our friends or with our family. Others want those skills for professional reasons, or for leadership functions, or even to be a professional speaker. Everyone needs a different path. We don't all need the same. Okay, those Toastmasters thought about all this and realized that the way the programs are now constructed are all the same. We all, of course, we have different ways of getting there, but we all have the same goals. So Toastmasters think, okay, maybe we have to change. After all, we have 90 years. After 90 years, a lot have changed. Of course, there are going to be always some updates, but never something that, okay, let's start over again and see what are the real needs. So in 2010, this process begins, the REP, the Revitalized Education Program. And it starts by noticing, okay, what do we need really in these programs? What members of Toastmasters really seek? What's common in everyone? And they got to 5 competences, 5 core competences that are the program foundations. Those competences are public speaking. The other one, interpersonal communication, leading and managing, leading strategically, and building confidence. Upon these 5 core competences, Toastmasters are building a new program, the Revitalized Education Program. It's starting now. Oh, but 6 years almost have passed? Oh, yes. Because we want to change, but not any change. We want to change that really matters for each member. And we want to make sure that when this program is coming to the club, to every club, it will be an excellent program that everyone is going to be effectively satisfied and fulfilled. So, get ready, be prepared, because one of these days, a new program is coming around.
Very good.